Eichhornchen. Eichhörnchen? Streichholz. Schatzendellchen. Okay, these CHs in German, though, they're really getting to me. I need some help with these.
Having trouble with pronunciation, hard to say vowels or tough articulation. We'll make you into a loquacious talker. Get on the phone with the pronunciation doctor.
Hi, I'm Karina, your pronunciation doctor. What brings you in today?
I'm having troubles pronouncing the CH.
Okay. What exactly is your trouble? Can you describe it a little better?
Sure, I can try. Gestern Nacht habe ich sechs Tüten Chips gegessen. Chips schmecken lecker?
Wow, you ate so many chips. This would be another problem maybe, but let's focus on the CH. Good. In this sentence that you've just read, there were many CHs. You can see it now, the sentence. And can you tell me how many words you found with the CH?
Yeah, I saw about 4 with the CH.
Okay. So can you read out only the words with the CH?
Sure. Nacht ich sex chippen or chips?
Chips. Chips, you know, it's like in English.
Chips.
Okay. Now I will read the sentence once and you listen closely to the CHs.
Perfect.
Gestern Nacht habe ich 6 Tüten Chips gegessen. Chips schmecken lecker. Okay, maybe you have noticed that each CH was different. So today we will talk through when to pronounce the CH in which manner and how you can actually practice the pronunciation. Yeah?
Perfect.
All right, so let's start with the first word. It's Nacht. Can you repeat it after me?
Nacht.
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 Okay, not too bad. So this is a hard CH. Maybe it's one of the sounds why other people think that Germans are angry all the time, because it's here, it comes from here. And it's a fricative sound. So it's produced by 2 articulators being close together and air going through it. Okay, and the articulators that you will have close together are your tongue and your palate. So let's look at some other examples and practice it. Nacht.
Nacht.
Machen.
Machen.
Kochen.
Kochen.
Auch.
Auch.
Woche.
Woche.
Lachen.
Lachen.
Okay, actually it's already pretty good.
Oh, yay!
Yeah.
I'm an asshole.
Yeah, it's good. And we can practice a little bit more to make it more perfect. Okay, so let's do some exercises. Pretend something is stuck in your throat, your chips that you ate.
Okay.
Okay, so don't feel silly about looking weird. It's normal when we do these exercises. And just do like something stuck in your throat.
Okay.
Okay, good. Then you can also practice it by snoring. So imagine this, learning German is really boring today and you fell asleep, so you're like... Try to make it more from here. Okay, yeah. And you can also practice it by holding your hand in front of your face and doing the same thing again, but paying attention that the air actually comes out of your mouth. So you must feel the air on your hand.
Okay, I feel my hot breath.
Okay, that's good. Try it again. Okay. Yeah? One more time maybe?
Okay.
Okay, good. Let's try this on some example sentences that you can actually apply in your real life.
Okay, perfect.
So the first one is, Was machst du am Wochenende?
Was machst du am Wochenende? Let me.
Wochenende. Yeah, try
Wa
again.
Wochenende.
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 Yeah.
Wochenende. Yay.
What do you do this weekend? Very
Oh,
good.
cool.
Kochst du auch vegan?
Kochst du auch vegan?
Okay, that's good. And it means, do you also cook vegan?
Ooh,
Vegan
okay.
food?
We like that.
And Lachen ist gesund.
Lachen ist gesund.
Okay, it means laughing is healthy.
Oh, okay. See, German's not that mean.
Yeah, just sometimes. All right, this was the hard sound, and it's also called the ach sound, and you use it after dark vowels like a, o, u. It's what you saw here.
Mm.
And now we will go to the soft sound, which is ch, and it's also called the ich sound. Try it.
Ich.
Do you hear? Yours is a little more like a sh, be quiet, but it should be more like a sh. It also comes more from the back and the tongue must be down, but I will do some exercises with you and some examples so you see. First of all, some example words. I'm reading them out loud and you're repeating.
Okay.
Ich.
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 Endlich.
Endlich.
Richtig.
Richtig.
Echt.
X. Or no. X.
Nicht.
Nicht.
Okay, I think we can optimize that a little bit.
Okay.
So the first exercise is your tongue must be down. You must pay attention that the tip of your tongue doesn't move upwards. Okay, so to practice this, you can take a pen. Do you have one?
I do.
Good. So you take this pen into your mouth and the tongue must be down. The pen is there to hold your tongue down. You do.
Oh, snoring.
Yeah, you have the snoring somehow. Now try to make it sound softer. Do it again. Okay, that was it.
Oh, yay. Okay, cool.
Okay, this is the sound. Another exercise would be to choose a word that contains a y, like yes, because the position of the tongue is in the same spot. The only difference is that we don't use sound to pronounce it. So instead of saying yes with sound, you whisper it, yes.
Yes.
But without sound completely. Okay, we can hear it now, but you should have felt that the air is coming through still without sound, and the sound should come out. So if you exaggerate, yes.
Yes.
Without sound.
Oh. Or,
And focus on the first letter. Yeah.
oh, wow. Okay, cool.
Okay, very good. That's it. So I will just give you some example sentences to practice the sound now.
Okay.
Endlich spreche ich Deutsch.
Endlich spreche ich Deutsch.
It's finally I speak German.
Oh,
So also
one
this full
day.
sentence.
Yeah.
Das ist richtig.
Das ist richtig.
Und ich liebe dich.
Oh, I love you.
Ah yeah, good job.
Okay, let's see if I can actually say it. Ich liebe dich.
Already after just one session.
Of course.
Okay, you pronounced it very well. Good job.
Thank you.
And now the extra challenge. These words that you can see now, can you pronounce them?
Okay, let me put on my glasses for this one.
Okay.
Let's see. EI would be an I sound because Eisenstein. Okay, so Eichelchen, Schreischosarschatten.
Almost. I will read it once and you repeat, okay?
Okay.
Eichhörnchen.
Oh, that means squirrel.
Yeah, good job.
Don't ask me how I know that, but yeah, okay. Eichhörnchen.
And now try to pay attention to your tongue. It needs to go down again, the tip of your tongue.
Okay.
And the back up and the tip down.
Okay. Eichhörnchen.
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 Okay. Und Streichholzschächtelchen.
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 One last time, I'm sorry.
Everything's fine. Streichholzschächtelchen.
Streichholzschächtelchen.
We will practice this again a little bit.
Perfect.
All right. So these were the main uses, the ch and the h. And also for the h sound, you have some vowels that it comes after that are e, e, but I recommend you not to learn these vowels. Actually, it should come kind of naturally because we as humans try to speak as economically as possible. So when our mouth is in a position that's already smiley, like e, with these sounds, it would be easier to pronounce the h. You can try with the words we had, endlich. So we're smiling already, and then we just have to move the tongue a little bit. Sprechen. See, we don't switch too much.
Oh, okay.
Ja, das machst du schon richtig gut. So you're already doing a really good job.
Danke.
Yeah, so keep practicing.
Danke. Bis bald.
Bis bald. Auf Wiedersehen.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Having trouble with pronunciation, hard to say vowels or tough articulation, will make you into a loquacious talker. Get on the phone with the pronunciation doctor.